Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make mushroom soup powder at home. First, choose fresh, firm mushrooms like cremini or button for optimal flavor. Gently clean them with a damp cloth, avoiding waterlogging. Next, slice your mushrooms thinly, aiming for about 1/8 of an inch thick. This ensures even drying and a consistent texture for your powder. Proper preparation is key to a delicious homemade soup base. Now, let's dry those mushrooms. You can use a food dehydrator set to 125 degrees F for 6-8 hours. If you don't have one, an oven works too. Set it to 170 degrees F and leave the door slightly ajar to allow moisture to escape. The goal is for the mushrooms to be completely brittle, snapping easily when bent. This thorough drying prevents spoilage and ensures a fine powder. Once your mushrooms are perfectly dry, it's time to turn them into powder. Use a spice grinder or a high-speed blender to achieve a very fine consistency. For every 1/2 cup of mushroom powder, mix in 1 teaspoon of onion powder and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. These additions enhance the savory notes, creating a rich and aromatic soup base that's ready for your culinary creations. To keep your homemade mushroom soup powder fresh, store it in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. It will maintain its potency for up to 6 months. When you're ready for a delicious bowl of soup, simply whisk 2 tablespoons of the powder into 1 cup of hot water. For other great deals, and to check out the Oala water bottle, which helps you stay hydrated, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Enjoy your quick and flavorful homemade soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.